Hello, Jason. My name is Devin, and you spoke with my wife and my partner Mary just on the benefit of internet bringing in more leads and how it can really just benefit your business and everything. So I was looking all over for your website, so my apologies if you do have one. I couldn't find it. I was looking for about 30 minutes, but I couldn't find a website. So my apologies if you do have one, but I'm still gonna just do an example of what we would need to do to beat out American Arborists, who is one of the top in the area right here. As you see, they're right here on the first page of Google when you type in Reno tree service, as well as down here in this organic listing section. So really quickly, the reason I'm making these videos is I found out that if I make these attack plans on how to get more leads and more business through the internet, and then I just give them away for free, some owners go out there and do this stuff on their own, and some of them actually end up calling me back. So whatever you decide to do with these tips is totally okay with me. My only goal here is to just educate you and just give you some good information. And if you don't have a website and you want to get one up, but it's not through us, that's completely fine as well. So we're just here to educate, like I said before. So I want to talk to you about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So the first thing I'm going to go over here is content. So Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these front pages right here, because not only in Google's eyes is it going to keep customers on these pages here longer, but it's going to keep them on Google longer, which will give Google a chance to sell these ads that they have right here. They have ads at the bottom of these pages as well. So Google's crawling all these websites, trying to see which ones they want to list right here on Front Street right here, because they want to make sure these sites have authoritative content and is going to keep customers on these pages longer. So Google really likes to see a lot of content on these front pages, but not just trash content. They want to see authoritative content. And equally important to content would be keywords. So a keyword is what people are going to be typing into Google when they're looking for service. For example, Reno tree service. That's a keyword that you guys want to be ranked for. As we see here, it has 320 clicks per month, just this keyword alone. So adding this onto your front page will definitely help you rank for it right here. So as you see, these guys should have this on their front page, and it'll help them rank. As you see, they have it listed here one time on this page. Let's see if we can find where it's at. I don't know where it's at on this page, but I see it's on this page somewhere. So this is definitely a keyword that you guys want to be ranking for, because like I mentioned, it's gonna get 320 clicks a month. So you want to find all these local keywords right here and add them on your front page, and that'll give you the most traffic sent to your page per month. So the second thing I want to go over is called backlinks. So backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is very, very important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company. But you want to make sure it's relevant companies, so they'll give you a lot more power for using other tree contractors or other building companies, or really anything with construction and moving. They'll give you a lot more power for those type of niches rather than using like a Pizza Hut giving you power, because Google knows you don't make pizzas for a living, so they're not going to give you very much credibility for using like a Pizza Hut website. So I like to use a site called Ahrefs to check this right here. As we see, you really want to have, it doesn't really matter how many backlinks you have right here. What matters most is the quality of backlinks you have right here. So you want to have high authoritative backlinks. That's going to mean something for you. So these guys have a pretty good ratio right here, and you can see the amount of keywords they're using, which is helping them rank and bring them a lot of high traffic. So backlinks are very easy. We can come in here and we can see exactly what websites, what type of websites these guys have their business listed in. So they have blogs in here, they have directories in here. So a lot of these, you just want to create an account, leave a comment, and then drop a link back to your website, and Google will give you power for that. So like I said, this is pretty simple. So you can come in here. You want to take all these for your website. If you guys get one up, and then you want to apply them. Or, sorry, take all these from their website and then apply them to your website if you do get one up, or if you have one up right now. So again, this is very simple right here, and it doesn't matter how many backlinks you have, it's the amount of power that you have. So you want to have very, very relevant backlinks. So with those two tips, between the content and keywords as well as the backlinks, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic listing section, which is everything under these ads and under this map pack area. If you guys want to be ranked number one right here in this Google My Business section, This has everything to do with citations, and this is actually something you guys can do right now. You don't have to have a website to be listed right here. I mean, it helps obviously, but you don't have to have one. So if you want to be ranked number one right here, this has everything to do with citations. And a citation is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is basically just a website that allows you to list your business information, such as like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages. So I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. As we see, you guys have 29 citations here. The American Arborist has 37 citations right here. So similar to Backlinks, we can come in here, see exactly what directories they have, and you guys should go out there and grab all of these for your website and for your business. Sorry. So you want to take literally all of these right here and go sign up for these for your business. And if they have 37 citations, I would recommend going out getting 50 to 100 to just really dominate the game right here. So that way, when people are typing in these tree service keywords, you guys will be the first one to pop up. So sorry, Jason, I tried to be pretty quick and brief. I know that was kind of long right there, so my apologies for that. But I appreciate you for taking the time for watching this video. Quick recap: we went over just getting that 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on that front page, as well as keywords. And then we talked about backlinks, going out and grabbing those, and then as well as citations, going out and copying whatever these guys have for their citations and going out and getting better ones as well. So my name is Devin, and my business partner is Mary. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us on our business cell phone. It's 775-402-2885, and I thank you for your time. Appreciate it.